logo, go here, but they are having something mark. Open the image, copy. Oh, they are having something watermark. This is not having any watermark. Now go here, everyone. Without using display blocks, I'm doing it, sir. Tomorrow we'll use display blocks. Understand it how I do it line by line. I write it one header inside that one image. I write it one banner. I write it here services. कोई doubt है? कोई doubt है, sir? Now, after this, I will write some footer. Okay. Now go here. This site belongs to hash PRASAD and copy 2024. Someone is saying it like, once say about ID services, how are you writing it? Okay, I will do it. Someone is also saying, why do we use alt? Why do we use alt, ma? If an image is not coming, SRC is not loading correctly, alt will come. For SEO purpose, alt is important. Okay, next, banner. Banner is like float. Inside the banner, alternate text. Yes, inside the banner, you put one image and one paragraph. Usually, how it will come after the image, paragraph should come. After the image, paragraph should come. But here, if you go image, oh, it is coming it logo here. Now see, they are coming side by side. The reason for this is this banner. Why it is coming it here like this? Image is an inline element, but header is there now. Instead of header, try it with a div. Now let's try it. Now first one image is there. Let's go here. Let's go here. Header. Now go here. Header. Okay. Whatever the image is there, inside the header, whatever the image is there, for this image, I will give one class name. What is the class name? Logo. Logo. Logo is height 100 pixel, width 100 pixel. Now if you see, height is 100 pixel, width is 100 pixel. And next, for header, I will say margin auto, width 100 percentage. Why it is not coming? 100 VW. Now margin auto. Inspect. Go here. Margin 100 pixel. Auto. Width 100 VW. Something is wrong. It's not coming in center. Anyway, remove this width. Remove this width. I'm just writing its body. Max width. For body, maximum width is 1280 pixel. Margin auto. Automatically everything is centered, sir. Can you see that? What is the maximum width? 1280 pixel. And here it is coming it in center. Now, same technique I will use it for header also. In header also, maximum width, maximum width, something it like fixed content. How much content is there? And here, margin auto. If you give margin auto left and right, it will only take it 100%, sir. Can you see it, sir? It came center. Now, next one. Inside the image, I said it left and right, 100. Then I gave it here. Can you see here? It is coming like this, but image, the paragraph is coming this side. So, first one image is coming, then the paragraph is coming. Right or not? So, instead, I will go here, IMG, and I will say, for this image, let's give one name. For banner image, I will give class banner IMG. So if I go here, class banner and IMG, then automatically I will say float left. What I will say, float left. Automatically float will be left side and right side it is coming. कोई doubt है sir? कोई doubt है माँ? No, float left. Next, after this paragraph is there. Now here, not only paragraph, I will take it here. So many things. First, delete this much para. Go here. One div. Hash right. Inside this, something H2. H2. Find your friend, best friend. Find your friend. Find your friend. Paragraph. Now here, button, click me. Can you see it, sir? Any doubts, ma? No? Sir, why don't you increase the font size and all? Perfect. So I will go here. I will say here, dot right. Dot right means what, sir? Oh, ID now here. Now here, hash right. What does it mean by hash right? ID right. If I say hash right space H2, what does it mean? Space means inside. Space means inside the right, whatever the H2 value is there. Inside the right, whatever the H2 value is there. Sir, inside the right, if any another div is there, inside that if H2 is there also it will come. Space means descendant, anyone in the family. We will discuss in advanced selectors. I'm just giving it here. Font size, something 48 pixel. Now hash right, paragraph, font size 28 pixel. Can you see the site how it is looking now? Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here? Are you all getting it, sir? No. So some people already lost it. They are not telling it. मैं फिर बता दूंगी, छोड़ दो. ये पूरा छोड़ दो. I'm just making it something better. Okay. All you want to do is two things. Today's class is not about all of this. Today's class is about two things. One is float left. What it is called? Now here, don't get confused about all of this. I am just making it in a complete site. वो पूरा छोड़ दो. All you need to do is float left. Float left बोले तो कैसा करना? Now you go here. You go here. Here, if you see, one image is there. Some some text and all are there. Now they are coming side by side. How they are coming side by side, sir? Float left. But why don't you use display, sir? They can use also display, na? Display also side by side, na? But what is the difference is if you put float, float will adjust the element. That is why after the element is over, it is continuing. But if I use display, two elements will come side by side like this. This is called display. Two elements will come side by side. This is called display. Float is like one element will come and another element will continue. This is called float. What it is called? This is how float will work. This is how display will work. Someone is asking what is the difference between dot and hash in CSS. Dot बोले तो, hash बोले तो. Listen, these are very simple than what you are thinking about it. But the problem is you need to focus on. Is it clear, ma? Acha, we'll do practically then. Let's go here, Wikipedia. Now, everyone, see this. Can you create this? Can you create this? How do you create it? Everyone, how did you create it? Tell me. Float? Right. No, I don't want it that much simple. I want it like tell me clearly. HTML. पहला बोलो HTML में क्या क्या करेगा? एक div के अंदर क्या क्या चाहिए? Left side paragraph and right side image. Is it only image is there? नहीं रे. Right side also div only. Though divs are there inside that. Second div you need to put it float right or not? Are you all getting my point, ma? Then how do you identify that second div in CSS? How do you identify that second div in CSS, sir? ID. ID or class, you can put anything. कुछ नहीं होता. Then you will write float. Float. If any element don't want it, right side or left side, any other thing, then you will use clear. What you will use? Clear. Okay. This is a simple design now. Now, earlier you gave me something. What is that? Romance path, right? Romantic road path. Now, imagine I am creating it something like this. Now, in this, everyone, I want to create this. I want to create this section. Can anyone tell me exactly how can I create it? Can you create it now? Think about it. You all understand the question, sir? अच्छा, I am giving 2 minutes time. Write the HTML. CSS छोड़ दो. खाली वो बॉक्स क्रिएट करने का HTML लिखो. Everyone take your papers and try it your own HTML. I will show it to you. Exact try create करूंगी. HTML try करो. You only did it now. Try it again. No need to put love symbol and all. Just create it. Okay. तो उसमें पहला HTML क्या करता? करना भैया. Online also can answer it. What you will put? Last ones, are you understanding, ma? अरे पूरा that one if you wanna create in HTML में क्या करता रे? That is why I told you to do it every day. Instead of eating, think करो रे. सोचो पहला. First think and then eat. Now someone said it, that is good. You will put one div, sir. Now total thing is, listen, complete thing is one div. This whole thing is one div. Inside this, inside this, again, I will put another div. And again, and another div. Inside this again and another div and another div. Right or not? Two divs are there. Now, basically, if you create two divs, what will happen? The divs will come one after the another. Why? Divs are block elements. But what if I want them side by side? Inline. Perfectly, they will come. If you wanted specific height and width, you will write inline block so that they will come side by side. And inside each div, you will put one image, which is for icon. You will put one heading, which is for this. You will put it one paragraph, which is for P. And later you will write it in CSS however you want it. You can put it a nice background. You can create this whole section. Now, next one, what to do, sir? Same thing you will repeat for this. Same thing you will repeat for this. Do I need to write it that many times, sir? No. You will give same class name. Automatically, it will only create it. Any doubts, ma? Sir, by seeing, listen, if you really want to create on your own, if you are really passionate about it, then only think, Ray. Unnecessarily don't waste your time, my time. If you are not concentrated on this, don't come to the class. Waste of time. Either this design, if I wanna create it, in this total 6 divs are there. 2 divs coming side by side. So first you have to think, okay, this is all one div, this is all one div, this is all one div. So 3 divs coming one after the another. Next, inside each div again 2 divs are there. Now that 2 divs are having same class names. Now again, these 2 divs also will have the same class name. Okay. Now these 2 divs also have same class name. Total, all 6 are having same class name. And in that class name, I will give why you are taking class only because class can repeat, ID cannot repeat. Now that class name I will write it display in line. Automatically they will come side by side, na? Automatically they will come side by side, na? That's it. With one shot you can able to create the whole site. Any doubts, sir? In future you can do grid, but now you can actually create a same site. Now, what is this section is called? This section is actually services section, kind of services or whatever, uh, features or those kind of things. Now, in tomorrow, what you can create is, I want you to create, I want you to create a nice banner. What do you want to create? Banner. Card components are over. Some websites will have a nice banner, sir. Banner. Banners are also called hero sections. Why? Because a good website will have something, a good banner. Someone is saying it like, how do we get it? Image inside the box. That box is something like div only, na? Inside the div, you can write IMG tag, na? Simple. How do we put it image? IMG tag. HTML hai pura. Now, these are called banners. Now, website banner. Banner, website. If I write, you will get so many banners, sir. Or people also call, see, something like this. Take it any website, take it any website, create a beautiful banner, sir. Do your own research and try to create a beautiful banner. Usually the banners are different types, but this is how it looks. The moment you go to a web page, a website, first thing you will see on screen is called banner page. What it is called? That is also called hero section. Why? Because anyone who is in your website, maximum on an average website seen is 7 seconds. Anyone will judge your website by 7 seconds itself. So mostly they will not see down. They will see only the hero section. By seeing that section, people can able to identify whether your service is good or bad. Okay. Different kinds of banner section can be put. Like for example, I will show you hero section or hero banner or whatever it is they call it. See, for example, take this website. If I go this website, they are showing left side some text, some subtext, and some email, some contact, and right side some image to attract. Or if I go here and another banner section, centered banner. In this banner section, in this banner section, they are just showing in middle some kind of text and middle some kind of data. It is focused on middle. Okay. So different websites will follow different kind of banner designs, and these are called hero sections. Hero section means on the home, whatever the top one, the first one is called the hero section, sir. Okay. Hero section means home page. Hero section is not home page. Home page bahut bada hai. Hero section is whatever the top, the first one when it is loaded page. In home page, whatever the first one you will see on screen, which called hero section. Is it clear, ma? Now imagine I go to a site like this. Now here, open image. Now in this website, the hero section is only this much. This is all down. You can have more and more. Your wish. Now, how do you create it, sir? Sir, you can use float to bring two elements side by side, or you can use display to bring two elements side by side. Your wish. Whether you create a float or display, I don't care. But today I am so happy that so many people in the online created, but offline very few people created. Especially the last people I am saying it. In future it would be very serious. If you want to go to another class, your wish. If you want to waste your time, your wish. If you want to waste your money, your wish. But if you come to the class on the first day, I told you 50 days, 50 tasks you have to do. Once upon a time, if you skip it, it's okay. Some people are there. They did it earlier. Now they are taking break. Future they will do. I can expect them. Some people never did one task also. What is the use? Are you getting my point, sir? I don't want to waste your time. So everyone sit and think and do a nice design. Okay. Now hero page ka header, in this section footers is there or not, like headers, your wish. If you want to put the header, put it header. If you don't want header, sir, I don't want to do header, only the banner I will show, do banner only. If you want to show header also, your wish. Different people will do it in different ways. Check it, explore nice designs. If you type it in Google, you will get so many nice beautiful home hero sections. If you type it in Google, so many will come. Check it on, do your research. Tomorrow I want it more, especially girls, the last girls. Tomorrow I'm gonna ask it whether you come or not. I'm gonna ask it each and every one, what is your project, especially girls, because you are not doing. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Good. Online people are doing it. That's nice. Keep it up. Okay. Next 1 week, do it, ma. After 1 week, anyway, holidays will come. Next 1 week, if you do, at least you can able to build your site with a bootstrap. In this 1 week, we will cover CSS and bootstrap so that at least you can build a nice website. In holidays, you can do something great websites. Okay. And then we can have JavaScript. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all, and we'll meet you tomorrow. I will upload the notes about display and this. Remaining all are uploaded into the drive. Tomorrow class is there. Who said it tomorrow holiday? No. Gandhi Jayanti. Prepare a banner about Gandhi Jayanti only. What? You want to cut a cake for Gandhi? Seriously. Does anyone follow Gandhi Ray here?